Imagine this, you have all your luggages packed into your BYD Seal. Your entire family is in the car on a road trip, and the worst thing happened. You press the start button, and the BYD Seal simply won't start up. You try to put the car key right beside the start button, and hopefully it will revive the car. But no matter how many times you press the start button, or hold down the start button, or hold down the reset button, it appears totally dead. Simply no reaction. And then you try to open the car boot, there is no reaction at all. It is as if the entire car battery is dead. But you know it's not because you've charged it up to 100% last night. So what do you do? Hi everyone, welcome to another Sky Perspective video. This is exactly what happened to me when I went on a road trip last week. So this is the solution. If pressing the start button doesn't start up the car might have gone into a deep sleep mode. Simply position the car key close to the driver's side door handle and press the button on the door handle 5 times. And then watch your BYD Seal come back to life. But wait, there's actually one more step. After we wake our BYD Seal up from this deep sleep, there is one more step we need to do to initialize the car. You will get this message asking you to check the EPB system and another message asking you to turn the steering wheel all the way to the left and then all the way to the right and back to the center position. This is some sort of confirmation to the car to wake up from the deep sleep mode. After performing that on the steering wheel, your BYD Seal should be back to normal. Thanks to the person who posted this solution on Reddit. They saved our entire road trip. And apparently, we can also hold down the button on the door handle for 10 seconds to force the car to restart. And this works on all BYD vehicles. Personally, I have not tried this before. So how and why did the car go into deep sleep? I suspect it's got something to do with the hood or the front trunk. This has happened to me twice. First time, I left the hood open for a long time, like half an hour, while I was packing for the road trip. The second time, I put my bags and my gear beside the frunk, like this, for only about 5 minutes. And in both cases, I somehow triggered the car to go into this deep sleep mode. I suspect the car thinks it is in service, so it goes into the deep sleep. I wonder how many of you have encountered this scenario and found this video to revive your BYD Seal. Please leave a comment below if this video have helped you revive your BYD Seal. Share it with all your family and friends who have a BYD Seal, as they might need this knowledge one day to revive our dead Seal. On my channel, I create useful content like this on my tech gear and my BYD Seal EV, so subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for liking this video too, and I'll see you in the next one.